Can we fix this dent using PDR? This 2500 came in from Herzog. This is only going to be with me for an hour, so best case scenario, we get this pushed up flat, polish it out so it looks a lot more presentable for their customers. Immediately I come in with a little rotary and get rid of some of those black transfer marks. Now we got a much clearer picture presentation of the dent. This bottom side of the dent, there's a little pinch right on that body line right there. That's really the issue with this dent, keeping that dent from moving up. So we remove the bed cap cover and immediately come in with the knockdown and break up some of that pressure both around the dent and on the bottom side of that body line. So now I can come in with my 3/8 double bend interchangeable ratcheting handle, and I come in with the cherry tip at first. A lot of that metal is going to start moving now that I've broke up some of that pressure around the edges. You can see that I've got heat introduced to this dent to keep that paint and the metal flexible. Going to follow it back up with some more knocking down and blending hammer. The blending hammer is going to again break up some pressure around the circumference of that metal. Coming back in this time with the 3/8, but from a different angle. The aggressiveness of some of my pushes have caused some high spots, so I'm using that knockdown right there to knock some of those micro highs down. Finishing back up with my blending hammer to soften up some of those edges with a good soft transition. And then I'll bring that 3/8 double bend interchangeable back in, but with a metal tip, a sharp tip to finish out those tiny little bitty details. Because of the marring from the knockdown and the repair process, come back in with the polisher and really gloss out that paint. For those permanent paint scratches, the damage in there, I use some touch-up paint. And that's going to make this a lot more appealing to the eye. Put the bed cap cover back on. And for what this was, like I said, this is way more presentable for their customers instead of that dent and black scratches. Now we've got flat metal. It's white. Touch-up paint in there. And that is ideal. Now work hard. Go be great.